The newspaper's favorite right now is Bharti Airtel. Everyone claims to say that Bharti Airtel is doing phenomenal and the results are extraordinary. While results are strong, the right question for you and me as an investor to ask is, first of all, is the company continuing to show consistent growth in terms of fundamentals? And more importantly, is it viable or valuable now? Because a company that is valuable now may not be in the future, and vice versa. A company that we deem to be not valuable at this time may be valuable sometime down the line. Specifically with respect to Bharti Airtel, what do you think, Mr. Prasad?
See, Bharti Airtel is definitely doing well because it is one of the three telecom operators surviving in the country with Vodafone India and Reliance Jio. But again, just because you are one in the three that is available in the country, just because you have a large base of customers, does not mean that everything is good and rosy for Bharti Airtel for the past 2 decades. It is not possible to think that way. If you look at the kind of net profit earned by this company, which is about 11,700 crores as of 2024 June results, the same time, if you look at the interest paid by them, they are paying an interest of 22,186, almost like two times the net profit they are paying as interest. So that means it is going to be highly sensitive to the interest rate regime. And now MPC has already announced that we are going to hold the rates, we don't cut the rates. That means there is going to be no extra benefit accruing to this company. Apart from all of that, if you look at the kind of gross profit margin for this company, that is average revenue earned per user net of direct operational cost. If you look at that, which used to be 64.36% in 2024 March, and in fact even one quarter before that is 64.32, whereas now it has come down to 64.22. That means increased sales is not adding value onto the table. Interest cost is after the gross profit margin, I accept. But when you look at the gross profit margin, if there is a compromise on that, that means it is suffering from being not able to pass the pricing pressure to the customers. That is a negative sign. That is why we call this company at this point of time, because there is a compromise in gross profit margins. We said it is not a growth company. Once we say it is not a growth company, even if the discount to the fair value is wide, we still don't suggest to buy. Now, if you have a stock and if you have this stock in your portfolio, should you consider selling? According to us, yes, because it is not in growth trajectory anymore. Number two, if you don't have, can I buy it? No. Can I buy it after it goes down? No, because it is not in growth trajectory. So it is not worth holding on, not worth buying, and not worth considering at this point of time. Though all the newspapers are saying in the loudest of their voice that the company is doing great and everything looks rosy. We don't think that is actually the correct statement to make about Airtel.